Hello everyone, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope you're all having a fabulous day. To all my new subscribers, I just want to say a big thank you, and I hope you really enjoy this channel. Today we have on the menu a frappé. I have a McDonald's hack for you. Yes, I do not want you joining the long queue just to go in and get a frappuccino. We're making it right here today. Let's just get into the ingredients right now. So I have here a cup of ice. I have here about a tablespoon of chocolate chip. I have here a cup and a quarter of vanilla ice cream. I have here half a cup of whole milk. I have here half a cup of mint chocolate hot cocoa. That is what you need. That is the star for this. And I have here a half cup of coffee, brewed coffee. So let's just get started. Okay friends, so I'm using my food processor today. If you have your blender, you can use that. You have a NutriBullet, you can use that. I'm just using this. So I'm just gonna go ahead right now and pour in my ice. Then my ice cream. My coffee. My milk, and then my mint cocoa. That's it. Just gonna go ahead now and blend it up. So guys, we're just gonna go ahead right now. That's it. Okay friends, so let's just dish it out. Just pouring it into my mason jar, and I'll top it off with a little bit of whipped cream. I'm using a sugar-free whipped cream. You can use any. And I have my chocolate chip here. I'll just sprinkle a little bit on it. And that's it. So friends, here we have it. I hope you're inspired to try it. Let me know how it turns out in the comment section. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and like and share. Thank you so much, and see you again in my next video. Bye.